Weather alert. Weather alert.
The National Weather Service has issued a high wind warning for Sussex County, Delaware, plus the following New Jersey counties: Cape May and Atlantic, effective until tomorrow at 4 a.m. High wind warning in effect from 2 p.m. this afternoon to 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Monday. Northeast winds 30 to 14 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? In Delaware, inland Sussex, and Delaware beaches. In New Jersey, Cape May, Atlantic, coastal Cape May, and coastal Atlantic. From 2 p.m. this afternoon to 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Monday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Precautionary/preparedness actions. People should avoid being outside around trees. Use caution if you must drive.